This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Tahoe. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, 3-zone automatic climate control, speed-sensitive volume controls, the appearance package, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a rear seat DVD entertainment center, a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, leather seats, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, adjustable driver pedals, a pass-through rear seat, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.